10 amazing gadgets that won't break the bank. In this age of technology, the market is full of cool, cheap gadgets that can make our daily lives better in ways we never thought possible. From smart home gadgets that make your daily tasks easier to weird gadgets that add a bit of fun to your day, there seem to be a lot of options. But what are the coolest new gadgets that won't break the bank? Come with us, as in this video, we will talk about the world of tech wonders that won't break the bank and find out the answer to this question. Magbeat. When it comes to our cellular devices, the number of accessories we have can quickly get out of hand. All of the stands, speakers, headphones, chargers, and cases needed for these devices can be quite a bit to keep up with. Enter Magbeat, an innovative device that combines a MagSafe stand, pro-sounding speaker, and wireless charger into one small portable device. The Magbeat can also act as a power bank for other devices. Cut down on the number of accessories you have to keep up with for your mobile device, and go with the Magbeat. The Atom Controller. Oh boy, it's yet another gaming controller, but wait till you've seen this one. It's the Atom Controller for mobile phones. This controller features a split two-piece design. When not being used, the Atom magnetically fuses into a convenient compact shape to fit in your pocket or in the included carrying bag. Plus, its ergonomic handle shape and console-style controls provide a familiar console experience to your mobile phone. The Atom connects to your iPhone via low-latency Bluetooth connection, and the two independent modules are connected by a proprietary 2.4 GHz wireless link. The Atom has models available for both Android and iOS devices, so take your mobile gaming to the next level with the Atom controller. The Flounder. You may well know by now that on this channel we are firm believers in being over-prepared. That's why multi-tools like the Flounder titanium pendant tend to frequent the channel. The Flounder is an everyday carry tool that can be worn around the neck, but on a keychain or stuffed in a pocket. This titanium marvel includes a bottle opener, 1/4" and 1/6" bit driver holes, a sawtooth edge, an everlasting pencil, and a combination pry bar, nail puller, and box opener. The later also serves as the striker for an optional ferro rod fire starter that can be worn above the multi-tool on the chain when not in use. Be over-prepared for just about any situation with the Flounder titanium pendant. Switchbot curtains. If you've ever wanted to jump into home automation, there's no time like the present. New devices like the Switchbot are making it easier than ever to tackle home automation projects. Imagine being able to draw the curtains in your house with the push of a button. With Switchbot, you're able to do just that. And get this, the total setup time takes less than 10 seconds. That's right, after just a 10-second installation, you're up and running with curtains that can open and close themselves at the push of a button. The Snagger Snack Dispenser. Oh boy! Imagine being able to snack and game at the same time without having to deal with snack residue on your fingers. That's what the Snagger Snack Dispenser accomplishes. It is a compact dispenser designed to fit common cup holders. When you're ready for a snack, simply hold the dispenser above your mouth and press the button at the top. The Snagger Snack Dispenser makes snacking clean and easy. The Burnzomatic Fuel Gauge. For any of us who have ever had to use a portable propane tank, you understand well the woes of having to guess how much fuel is left in the tank. The Burnzomatic Fuel Gauge puts an end to all your guessing games. These pocket-sized fuel gauges are equipped with LED displays that show the amount of fuel remaining in disposable propane cylinders. Don't get caught guessing wrong about your fuel usage. Instead, get the Burnzomatic Fuel Gauge. The iRing Laser Tape Measure. Are you still using tape measurers for your home improvement projects? If so, we're happy to tell you there's an easier way. Introducing the iRing Laser Tape Measure. This compact device is capable of measuring distances of up to 98 feet and has an accuracy of 1/16 of an inch. The device can switch between metric and standard units of measurement and can also send the dimensions measured to your smartphone. So stop fighting with your old tape measurer and get your iRing Laser Tape Measure today. The Knox Gear Tracer 2. Remember those old reflective vests people used to wear when they would do any sort of activity at night? The good people over at Knox Gear sure did, and after thinking about, they decided to come up with a better vest for those nighttime activities. Behold the Knox Gear Tracer 2, a color-changing LED vest that provides true 360 illumination, reflectivity, and fluorescence. The Tracer 2 is lightweight, breathable, and extremely comfortable. No more relying on a light source for your vest to work. Upgrade your workout gear by adding the Tracer 2. The My Critter Catcher. Want to know what's worse than seeing a bug in your house? Having to clean up the remains of the same bug after you've taken care of it. The My Critter Catcher is an innovative way to catch bugs in your house and safely release them back outside. This way, there is no fuss, no mess, and nothing to clean up afterwards. This amazing device works on all types of bugs, especially large ones. So the next time you see one, don't fret. Simply grab your My Critter Catcher, catch it, and release it outside. Jupoco G10. For all of our Airbnb renters, travelers, or Privacy Continue viewers, have we got a device for you? Have a look at the Jupoco G10 Pro Camera Detector. Not only does this device detect spy cameras, it also detects listening devices. Have extra peace of mind when you travel with this portable anti-spy detector. Your privacy will never be leaked with this state-of-the-art device. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more great videos like this. Till next time!